The Court of Appeal has dismissed a total of 4 applications by the Ministry of Interior and Coordination, Fred Matiangi, the Inspector General of Police, Joseph Boinnet, the Director of Criminal Investigation, George Kinoti, and the Immigration Director, Major General Gordon Kihalangwa, to overturn the High Court's decision that faulted them in the deportation or deportation of Miguna Miguna to Canada. Now, the court has established that there is no harm in allowing Miguna Miguna back to the country, stating that if indeed he was to be found having committed any misconduct or criminal offence, that matter should be addressed in Kenya. Justice Patrick Kiage found no merit to stay the order of Justice Kimaru, thus rendering Miguna Miguna free passage back home. Further, the judge said that the court does not see what prejudice the officers or the state will suffer if Miguna Miguna returns. The court found the 4 in contempt after they failed to appear in person to explain why they failed to release Miguna Miguna as ordered by Justice Luka Kimaru, and instead they deported Miguna Miguna to Canada.
As must all courts, will deal firmly and decisively with any party who deigns to disobey court orders, and will do so not only to preserve its own authority and dignity, but the more to ensure and demonstrate that the constitutional edicts of equality under the law and the upholding of the rule of law are not mere platitudes but present realities.